What's the most creepily intelligent thing your pet has ever done? 1. My friend's dog knows he's not allowed onto one very specific carpeted area in the house and he knows never to step onto that area. How does he like to be a smartass about it? He grabs his favorite toy, casually tosses it onto said carpeted area, looks at us and gives us the, well, my toy's there and I have to step onto the carpet to get it. He does it so slowly and so deliberately that you know he's being a complete smartass about it. I can't help but laugh every time he does it, which is not often. He typically does it when he's desperate for our play because he knows he'll get a laugh and a positive reaction out of it. 2. My cat, Tuffy, stole a piece of bread off of the stove and put it on the floor next to the cabinet. She then stared at it intensely and motionlessly for an hour. We thought that was creepy. Then a mouse came out from behind